Right now, I am in the furnished and decorated model home in Spring Hill at Forest Ridge. And now this model home that's just decked out with all kinds of great finishes is finally for sale as we're closing out the neighborhood here. So 3 really cool things that we've kind of designed into this home that most people would walk through and not even realize we had put into this home. I'm going to show you those 3 things. I'm also going to show you how you can save $100,000 in your payments. And then last but not least, I'm going to take you on a little bit of a walkthrough of some of the amazing features that you're going to get here in Forest Ridge, a true master plan community. The first feature that I want to tell you about is what we call the Zombie Apocalypse Pantry. If you're waiting for the end of the world in the zombie apocalypse, let me just tell you, the pantry we put in this home is going to be more than enough space to store all of your supplies. Come check it out. The second feature I want to tell you about is what we call the Safe Haven. Now the idea here is that the master suite and all the living space for mom and dad is on the first floor. And then there's a game room and 3 bedrooms upstairs so the kids can go to their space when you have friends over. Mom and dad can be on the first floor with their friends, and everybody has their true safe haven. The third feature I want to tell you about in this home is what we call a master suite with a snooze button built in. You might be going, what are you talking about, a master suite with a snooze button? Well, what I'm talking about is that you ever have those mornings where one of you likes to wake up a little bit earlier than the other one and you're like, man, you're making so much commotion and you got the lights on in here. The cool thing is, in this plan, the one who wants to sleep in can stay sleeping. The other one who has to get up early and is going to make all the commotion and noise can just go right in here and close these doors. And the cool thing that happens is all the sound, all the light goes away. And now that that door's closed, you can get your shower, shave, other stuff you need to do, and you can head right out this way through the master closet and out to the laundry room, drop your dirty laundry in there, and then just head out the door into the garage and never walk back through that bedroom again. I'll tell you what, if that doesn't keep your relationship together, I don't know what's going to. Right now at Shaw Homes, we have the largest incentive we've ever had in the history of our company. What that means for you is this $40,000 incentive that we have, we can take the majority of that and buy down your interest rate permanently. What that's going to do is it's going to give you the payment that you would normally have on a home that's about $100,000 less than this home right here. Yeah, you heard me right. Your payment will be that of a home that's about $100,000 less than this home. And the great thing about that is it's locked in for 30 years, which means you don't have to refinance if rates come down because you're going to have a great rate. On top of that, we'll still have enough of the incentive money left over, usually to let you lower the price another $10,000 on top of that. So contact us today and let's get you into this beautiful decorated model home so you can see what could be yours today. And let's take a look at some of the great amenities right here in Forest Ridge, a master planned community.